Have you ever looked out the window and felt like the world is moving just a little too fast to keep up? We pause the noise and look at the mind-blowing breakthroughs reshaping our reality right now. Today, we break down how our science community bridged quantum physics with living cells, plus new breakthroughs engineered for complete human healing. Grab a drink, get comfortable, and let us dive into the future we are building together. Quantum physics is not just for deep space anymore. It turns out it might be running inside your own body right now. Our science community just made a massive leap. We solved one of biology's greatest mysteries. We observed a strange quantum effect inside living organisms. Experts used to think the warm environment of a cell would destroy fragile quantum states. However, this new discovery shows nature actually embraces quantum mechanics to function. It completely changes how we view life at the atomic level. Honestly, it makes you realize we're all a little bit magical underneath. Thinking about quantum physics happening inside us while we choose lunch is wild. It really melts the brain. Speaking of brains, wait until you hear what we just did with neural circuits. Lately, we took a massive step toward treating stubborn neurological disorders. Our researchers engineered a brand new electrical synapse technology. It acts like a long-term brain bypass. Instead of just using heavy medication, this tiny tech can permanently rewire damaged brain circuits. This means conditions that used to feel final might soon be fixed. It's a simple, elegant rewiring. Think of it as tech support for the human mind. This is going to save so many lives. It's incredible that we're learning how to debug our own minds. Sometimes fixing the brain doesn't require a machine. It just takes a single, profound spark from nature. Science is looking very closely at clinical psychoactive compounds these days. We just discovered that a single dose of a specific fungal compound changes the human brain in unexpected ways. Our science community tracked the brain before and after the experience. The results show it completely resets the networks responsible for daily stress. This is not just a temporary effect. The brain actually remains physically altered and more flexible long after. We're finally understanding how a single moment can safely open up the heavy walls of severe clinical burnout. A literal reset button for your brain chemistry. Sign me up for that. Now, while we're fixing minds, our medical teams are also building smart hunters to protect our cells. We just upgraded CRISPR to target serious health conditions. Our researchers discovered a new kind of CRISPR called Cas12a2. It treats viral infections and rogue cells by safely dismantling their genetic code. This system triggers a smart self-destruct sequence. It activates the moment it detects harmful RNA inside a cell. It neutralizes the unhealthy cell completely to protect the rest of the body. This system is highly precise, incredibly smart, and it might just be the ultimate micro-defender we've been searching for.
Just absolute, precise control over unhealthy cells. I love it. Cells are basically tiny machines. However, understanding how they are built has always been difficult, until now. Proteins are the building blocks of life. Fortunately, we finally cracked open a method to map them on a massive scale. Our science community developed the new multiplexed method. It reveals protein energy landscapes. This allows us to see every single shape a protein can take. Think of it like getting the complete blueprint for every biological machine. Honestly, it is mind-blowing. This breakthrough means we can now design custom proteins from scratch. We can target specific conditions or break down plastics in the ocean. We are becoming the true architects of biology. Building proteins to clean up the planet is a massive win. If you think designing proteins is cool, wait until you see the microscopic helpers we built to heal your skin. Imagine getting a cut and having a swarm of tiny helpers heal the wound. Our technology teams just made this possible. We created biohybrid microrobots that swarm together using light switches. By using light to guide these tiny tools, we can deliver medicine with extreme precision. We can even physically close wounds. This completely changes emergency care and surgery. It's like having microscopic doctors ready to help at a moment's notice. Light that helps heal wounds. The future is surprising, but I'm absolutely here for it. Speaking of healing, we also discovered how our bodies build their own internal wiring. We always wondered how our internal organs get their complex wiring. We finally solved how these internal nervous systems are built. Our developmental biologists discovered a beautiful process. It's a two-step dance between genetics and direct signals from the organs. The organ basically tells the growing nerves exactly where to go. It shows them how to connect. Understanding this map means we can eventually grow fully functional human organs in labs for transplants. Our bodies are truly the most sophisticated systems ever created. Lab-grown organs with full nerve connections, that's a massive relief for medicine. Now, let's bring it back to something we encounter every single day, the food on our plates. If you worry about chemicals on your groceries, this next breakthrough is for you. Our science community just developed a completely biodegradable wash that removes dangerous pesticides and keeps fruit fresh for much longer. Standard water doesn't wash off modern chemicals. However, this eco-friendly formula clings to them and pulls them away. It leaves a safe coating that stops spoilage. It means safer food and less waste. No more stressing out over your morning fruit. It's a simple solution to a global problem. When you look at all these discoveries together, they remind us of something important. Science is not just happening in cold, distant labs. It's a living effort to make our everyday existence safer. It makes life healthier and infinitely more fascinating. We're slowly pulling back the curtain on how the universe works. We're lucky to witness it. Thank you for exploring the cutting edge with us today. Keep questioning, keep staying curious. We'll see you in the next one. And as always, stay fresh.